A lot of times people have a hard time adjusting to how to find things in Google Drive or how to navigate. And there's, again, always multiple ways, whichever way suits you. So let's get used to a few different ways that you can navigate. You see up here, this is a path. My Drive is pointing to a subfolder called Practice, and that's pointing to another subfolder, TGM Jennifer Goodwin. That means we are here. If I want to go back up one folder, and you'll see that this is mimicking the same thing on this side. My Drive, down here in a subfolder Practice, and inside Practice is a subfolder TGM Jennifer Goodwin. So this path is just telling you what's happening on the left-hand side. So you can either navigate by clicking on the sidebar, or you can navigate by clicking on the path. So if I want to go back up one level to the Practice folder, I can just click that right here. And you'll see the blue highlighted right here, and it shows me the contents of the Practice folder. If I want to go back up one level to my Drive, I can just click here, or I can click here. Now let's say I've closed this from my computer, and the next day I want to come back to Drive. Drive.google.com. And I say, gee, I don't remember where that folder was that I was working in yesterday. Okay, there's a few different things going on here on the screen. First of all, this suggested is pretty similar to recent files. So you might just see something right up in here that Google is showing to you because you've used it recently. Same thing if you click Recent on the left-hand side. And it's also going to show you some recent folders down here below. Now, the busier you get inside of your Drive, the more content that you have, the more you'll probably just start using search. And you'll say, well, I remember the folder was called Practice. And so I don't suggest clicking the first thing that you see because it might not be right. What I do suggest is at this point using the Enter key on your keyboard. Because when you do that, it's going to bring up all the search results that have that in there. Okay? And then you can decide. And again, like I said in the other video, I might want to say, well, I'm only looking for folders. And narrow my filters to only show filtered. And narrow my filters to only show folders. And there's the Practice folder. And when I click it, you'll notice the path reappears. Again, it knows the navigation of where the Practice folder is located. It's located inside the My Drive. And again, if you wanted to click on Recent, it will show you everything that you had been working with recently. See you in the next video.